In this video, we are going to be drawing a tangent to a circle at a given point P on the circumference of the circle. So, using P as the center, we're going to draw arcs to intersect the circumference of the circle. We are going to be using any convenient radius, and we're going to name those 2 points A and B. So let's go. So using the compass tool, center, start, end, and using P as center, right, we're going to scribe arcs, and let's say we're going to use 50 as the radius. Okay, just put that on the construction layer. Okay, using the arc tool again, and using P as center, we're going to scribe another arc, 50. Now we're going to label the points A and B. Now we are going to connect A to B. Now we are going to bisect line AB and draw the bisector. So using the arc tool, center, start, end, A as center, we're going to scribe an arc. Let's say we use 35, no, 40. Now using B as center, we're going to scribe another arc, same 40. We're going to draw the bisector. Now this bisector becomes the normal that passes through point P. Now we're going to draw perpendicular to this bisector at point P, and that is going to be our tangent. So at point P, using the arc tool, center, start, end, and P as center, we're going to scribe an arc. Okay, let's extend this. Before we do that, we extend the bisector. Using P as center and 20 as the radius, we're going to scribe an arc. Now using this point as center, we're going to scribe an arc 20. Using this point as center, scribe another arc 20. Using this point as center, we're going to scribe an arc 20. Let's neaten this up a bit. Using the arc tool again and using this point as center, we're going to scrap an arc 20. Now we're going to draw the perpendicular point P, and we're going to lengthen the perpendicular. Now this line becomes our tangent. So there we have it, drawing a tangent to a circle at a given point P on the circumference of the circle. So we have our circle, and here we have our tangent. This line represents our normal.